My sister rig will be leaving before long. That's a bummer. One thing I didn't check, train. One thing I forgot about is my water heater. So I'm going to get a tool to get that off with, and I'll be back. I am back. Oh, dear. This old rusted thing. Come on, release. It's actually the rubber butyl holding it on. I guess I'll stick that in my pocket. Come on, door. Why aren't you coming off? Okay, we'll do it this way then. Okay, so when I got the RV, I disconnected and drained the water heater. And I put a blue rag on for the blue. Didn't have to do red for red because I already did blue for blue. Alrighty. So I can't fill this tank until I hook up those hoses. These are really, really rusted. I bagged them off so they wouldn't leak into the floor when I drained it. I'm going to be chasing things. So I will clean it up with this wire brush. Okay, I had to put the water heater back in because I had already drained it. I didn't forget. I just had already drained it and there's nothing in it. And then I realized these are too short to run outside. Well, I'll just go ahead. I put new tape on and we'll go ahead and reinstall the water lines. There we go. Okay, now I need to go get a wrench and tighten that down. Well, that's messed up. I can't even connect a hose. So I bought an adapter and I bought some new hose washers and a new hose. And in here is the water heater that I worked on yesterday. So, and I cannot plug it in now until I get water back in that water heater. So we're going to work on getting things hooked up. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Wow, this has been quite the step. I'm full of adapters right now. It's crazy, just crazy. So let's see if I can get this water working. Yeah, this is crazy too. Couldn't get this part off. This wouldn't go into this. It's just, wow. I don't know. This is something I can work on later. I just need to get water in my water heater. So we'll turn this on. We'll start the waterworks because I knew that would happen. Okay, let's see if I'm getting water inside the RV. And we are leaking. I probably need a washer on that. I kind of wondered if I did. Yep. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I just want to see if the water's running through. And make sure I'm not leaking anywhere. Let's go inside and see. Because I can't turn the power on until I get water in the water heater. Ta-da! Success! All right. Oh, wow. Awesome. the way this was rigged up was this thing was in where the new attachments are. That was pretty nasty, and when they disconnected it, they just simply cut the hose, and that's not really the proper way to do it. So it took me a few trips to Home Depot to get all the right parts. That was the adapter for that section.